Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Indian Beauty Queen. In today's video I'm going to share review regarding facial kit and today in this video I'm going to do review on Vlcc facial kit. So coming to this brand Vlcc, it's really a very good brand and all the facial kits are really very affordable in range. You will get mini facial kits also. So if you don't want to spend more money on facial kits, you can purchase those mini size facial kits also. It costs around 140 to 150 rupees I think. So this is a medium size facial kit and you can do at least 3 facials with this, and price of this is 257 rupees. And this is papaya fruit facial kit. According to your skin type you can choose facial kits. There are a lot of variants in facial kits like diamond, gold, pearl, silver and skin whitening fruit facial, like that. So according to your skin type and according to your skin problem you can choose those facial kits. So this I have already tried this papaya fruit facial kit. It really suits for sensitive skin type people also, and if you are having acne and blemishes then you can try this facial kit and gives a fairer complexion. Before trying any facial kit, please do patch test and then do your facial. So you can see it's a parlor like glow. Without going to parlor you can get a parlor like glow at home. Instead of spending lot of money to parlors, just if you buy this facial kit you can minimum do 3 facials with this facial kit, and results also similar to parlor like facial. And yeah, now let's start the review. So this is how the facial kit, Vlcc facial kit looks. The packaging, outer packaging is like this. It's a cardboard box and inside they have provided tubes. So you can see these are the tubes, and each tube weighs for about 10 grams. So they have also indicated how to use. All the directions, if you don't know you can read here. All the directions of use are mentioned, each and every step they have indicated here. So each tube weighs for about 10 grams. In this facial kit, step number 1 is cleansing and toning. So first step involves both cleanser and toner, as you can see, cleansing and toning. So this deeply cleanses your skin, minimizes the pores and makes your skin ready for facial. So you can see this is the first step which involves both cleanser and toner. So take little amount of this cleanser, apply it on your face, and apply generous amount of this cleanser and wipe it off with a cotton. So it helps to remove all the dirt and impurities from your skin. So this is first step, that is cleanser. And next, step number 2. Next, step number 2 is scrub. So this contains papaya seed scrub. So this scrub contains papaya seeds. So this scrub helps to remove all the dead skin from your skin and makes your skin even tone. So after scrubbing your skin, just wipe it off with a tissue. For each and every step, wipe it off with a tissue, wet tissue towel. And next one is third step is cucumber gel. So massage this gel on your face. So this gel contains extracts of watermelon and cucumber, so it helps to cool your skin. This helps to give cooling effect to your skin because it contains cucumber in it and watermelon, which is really good for your skin, and it helps to treat rashes, blemishes, leaving your skin visibly radiant. So this is the step number 3, that is cucumber gel. Next one is a step number 4. This is a massage cream and it contains extracts of peach in it. So it is enriched with cocoa butter and olive oil, which helps to detoxify and regenerate your skin. So gently massage your skin very nicely in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Massage it very well. And next one is this anti-tan pack, which helps to remove all your tan. So this is orange anti-tan pack. It helps to improve the complexion, absorbs excess sebum, and speeds up natural skin renewal. So apply this pack and just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets dried. So if you are having extreme dry skin, then just leave it for just 10 minutes. Don't over dry it and wash it off with normal water. So after completing all the 5 steps, and final step is this moisturizing gel. Apply a little amount of this gel on your face and massage it. It has SPF 15 with PA plus protection, so it helps to protect from harmful UVA and UVB rays. So this is all about the 6 steps in this Vlcc facial kit. You can use this facial kit for every 15 days, or if you don't have time, you can use it once in a month. So you can easily use this facial kit, and you can see visible results after using this facial kit. So this is all about a review regarding this facial kit. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you want any review videos, ask me in my comment section. I will try to do those reviews for you guys. And thanks for watching. If you are watching my videos for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my video, then share with your friends and family. Until next video, see you, bye.